Okay, now a couple things you can do. For the books, we can go ahead and add some gold elements to them since their colors are black, red, and gold. So at this point, what I want to do is add some liquid to my dust. So this is just a little bit of alcohol because alcohol makes it into a paint, makes it evaporate quickly after a while. And we'll just take some of this and we'll go right in these lines where I told you earlier we were going to add some gold details. Right in here. Up here also. Now if your college grad has a certain, you know, if they're majoring in something in particular, you could write that on the books. Or you could put the year that they're graduating on either the books or the front of the cap. And then we'll take this and I'll just do a straight little design just around the edge here. Just kind of edging around the book. Don't even do a straight line, I'm just kind of wiggling it a little bit. Let me come around this side. Okay, and then for the bottom one, I thought it'd be a little different if we use these. I have these little tiny embossers. And if I dip this in here, tap the excess off, and then you can go around the edge of the book. You can usually stamp it a couple of times, then you have to put it back in the paint. Remember I told you that we were going to go ahead and paint some of these tassels here? So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so some of them would be gold, some would be stay red. So you just kind of do one little section over here with the gold and over here. And then maybe one over here on the other side. We can do some of these. Okay, good. See how that just kind of helps pop it a little bit. Now, if this was for a male, what you could do is maybe just put some graduation streamers on it, which, let me just show you how you would do that. Probably in the red, down here on the blackboard. So all you would need to do is just take some red fondant and roll this out. And then just cut strips. They don't even have to be all the same width. Pick these up and just twist it so you can do little streamers all the way around. Okay, and that would pop it. You can even have a couple on the books. I thought if this was for a female, it would be nice if we actually added some gum paste roses on it. Okay, so gum paste roses, you usually make them in white. You could make them in red, or you could actually purchase them also. And it doesn't even have to be gum paste. You could use buttercream roses if you wanted, or you could even use royal icing roses. Completely up to you. The gum paste ones always look a little bit better though. So here's some gum paste ones here. Now I started with white and I went ahead and I airbrushed them. So I want to just move some of this stuff out of the way, get the white ones out in my airbrush and just quickly show you how I did that. And then we'll go ahead and finish the cake.